got enemy fighters in sight. They're all armed, maneuvering on your position. We'll be setting up for an engagement. Alright, come on, brother. Give me a so I can shoot laser.
Trying, Ozzy just...
Some PID confirmed. Engage. Be advised,
right.
Friendlies. West on the high ground and south. That's over.
Copies all. We'll be engaging. This will be running 30 millimeter. You got 4 individuals. Got a whole bunch of guys right there maneuvering. We'll be engaging.
Roger, back here up to 30.
Alright.
Just give me a heads up where you're in from.
Come back to the left.
Doom 02, talk to me.
Doom 2.
3 Ozzy 75.
Alright, give me back in constraints.
Doom 02 has movers just below our position.
Copies all. We're trying to pick these guys off one by one. You got a huge force that's moving, all armed. We did see shots fired.
Roger that. Continue to engage. Just be advised. Friendlies on the high ground. Friendlies moving from the south. Over.
Copies all. Hey, 4-5, 4-4, are you tracking all this? Are you engaging targets?
Okay, we had to fix our gun. It appears to be working now. We're back to waiting now.
Okay, come back to the left. Give me a constraints.
Signal check on the side.
Constraints for a missile shot?
No, just constraints for the gun.
Okay.
You come in left. You come in left. Come left.
Call 73 Ozzy 75.
Oh yeah, got him.
Lots of fire.
Yeah, you got lots of machine gun fire. Alright.
445, have eyes on the friendly fire. Have eyes on.
Roger, I continue to put the enemies out and engage. I got one of the children moving around down in the tents, so watch your fires.
Roger, watch our fires. I got 4 armed individuals currently going to the east.
Roger, give me a spot.
2, say positive, over.
Hey, 4-4, I got guys with RPGs taking cover right now. We're going to continue to engage.
Roger that, engage anybody with weapons, over.
Give me, come on, come left. Come left. I got to get hard left here. Do you still have guys on those other 2?
Roger, we'll be in here 1 second.
Constraints?
Working. He's engaging.
Okay, Roger, he's getting them. You come around, keep eyes on him then.
Fuck, man, we're like right over top of him now.
Okay, well get your distance then. Just fly the aircraft. We're out of ammo. We're going to have to set up for gunshots, so just keep your distance. Or missile shot.
Okay, I'm gonna fly outbound for a second. 4544 flying outbound for a second, building some spaces.
We're continuing to engage. Lead aircraft is Winchester on 30 millimeter. We'll continue with Hellfire engagements.
But no one you got it back in sight?
Roger. And put me in constraints. And we're coming inbound.
Hey, higher on SAT. We need more air, over.
Fire.
Roger, clear. Good missile.
How copy?
Alright.
He's all. We'll relay more air. Target 5.
Bringing you back around left.
Doom 02 is requesting more air assets be pushed to this location.
I'm calling Doom 02, say again.
Aircraft is Winchester on 30 millimeter. Gun 2 is limited 30 remaining, over.
Roger, we're attempting to push hard to your location at this time. ETA TBD at standby.
Confirm you visual my spot. Ground commander wants you guys to kind of stand to the north.
Current ETA on
Stand by on spot. Still watching one enemy location. We'll be setting up for engagement, then we'll deconflict.
Roger that.
Say again, last for. Tell your spot would be coming with 30.
Are you declaring troops in contact? Over.
Roger, troops are in contact. I don't know if that's the GSC's call, but they were taking fire. Multiple tracer rounds. We had several individuals, RPGs, belt feds, and small arms, over.
Copy, I copy. Troops in contact.
Okay, Roger, if you've got that guy in sight down there in that well, I want you to engage with 30 millimeter. We'll cover your break. Roger, yeah, one in the trench in sight and a bunch next to them. Stones, understand you want to take the one guy in the trench? That's a firm. You have the guy in the trench.
Heads up.
4-4, working on engaging one individual remaining. Gun 2 is going to clean him up with 30 millimeter. I'm getting eyes on your location.
Also be advised, I'm sparkling a mover right down below us. Looks like he's going into that low ground right there. Do you see my spot?
I'll be going left inside of you, 30 millimeter, and then I'll come back to the next room.
Okay, roger.
And Doom 02, roger that, searching for mover.
He's right down below us, squirting to the west.
Roger, keep your spot on him, and I'll get on him in a second.
That spot's on right now. I lost track of him, but my spot will be in the general direction. You should be able to pick him up.
Roger that. Is he over the ridge line there?
Location of
Negative. Confirm you see my sparkle.
I can't confirm sparkle. It's in the general vicinity of the objective area.
Roger that. It's west in the gully and runs along the bottom of the ridge line here.
Second position has one.
Can we lift? Roger that. I've got your position in sight. Searching for mover.
Roger. Also be advised, GSC just said we had a mover come out of the Philippines and start to go northwest below our position.
Stand below his position. We engaged several people in that vicinity. We got a lot of them, but there's a lot of them still alive.
Yeah, roger that. CFC just wants you to try to focus on this one mover to the northwest, just below our position. We have three friendlies going down to a little bit below our position to try to get eyes on as well.
Be advised, we have a tick on this.
Okay, roger that. I've got your one mover in sight. It looks like like he's with them. He's armed. We're turning in out for engage.
50 in flight. Departure 5 Bravo 680 Eagle. Over.
Understand you have no single elements out here.
2 copies all. Be advised, take on this man, switch to 999, over.
Alright.
Right, that's where I was sparkling with that mover.
Roger. Good impact. We got him. He had a weapon, was setting up on your position.
Yeah, Roger, understand. Thanks for the help there. That was the mover that I had out there. We're starting to sparkle the location where the GSC saw this other mover.
Roger, and I'll try and get eyes on. Stand by.
You see my sparkle?
That's a firm. Cali Sparkle.
Roger that. Just look at that gully.
Go ahead, send me the...
We've got plenty of fuel remaining, however, we're almost Winchester. I've got one mover to the north running with weapons, getting a tactical advantage on you. We're going to be turning about to engage. Give me a constraint.
Roger that. Clear to engage. Clear to engage.
Give me a constraint. That one guy at the
location over.
Roger, go ahead and send it for Roger 75.
Grid.
Yeah, good effects. Good effects, over.
That's a firm. That was a blast frag on one guy. He's no longer with us.
Roger that. Continue to check to the north. We got our friendly element pushing from the south. Continue to engage any enemy movement to the north of the Coogis. That's where we believe they tried to egress.
Hey, this is 4-4. Go ahead. Gun 2 is going to be engaging. I've got eyes on that individual. You're clear to engage.
So be advised, I'm sparkling a mover. Looks like he's trying to set up on our guys moving from the south. Confirm sparkle. He's in a Coogee tent right now.
Yeah, Roger. We'll get eyes on it as soon as we can. Gun 2, you follow us in, you engage the mover, and then we'll come back around. You should be well to the north side there. You confirm you have them in sight?
We got a hot front and hitch. Not currently tracking a movement. Short search.
Yes, I got the mover in the ditch.
Roger that. You come inside us, and you're clear to engage.
But I can left inside you.
Inbound, engage at 30. One mover.
Roger that. Clear to engage.
Copies all. We got some guys to the north here, laying in the prone on the backside of the mountain. We're going to have gun 2 engage there. Well clear your friendlies.
Roger that. Observe, or correction, clear to engage.
Target 65 is 50 minutes out. We're in route to 90 Charlie Charlie keypad 8, looking for an update on the squad. Set up.
Rotation complete. Good effects on 2 individuals. North, looks like he's got some kind of weapon system on his back. We'll be engaging.
Break 723.
Roger that. Clear to engage the mover to the north.
Alright.
Good impact, break 2, 3, 9er, over.
Oh man, that